Hi, today I'll explain about another symbol, that is movie clip symbol. Okay, so these are the yesterday's graphic symbol. So now I'm explaining about movie clip symbol. So let us check this. So change this name, movie clip. M-O-V-I-E, movie clip. Yes. Movie clip symbol. Okay, so what is this? What is the difference between graphic symbol and a movie clip symbol? Yesterday clearly I'll explain you about a graphic symbol that is mainly represent only static symbols, static images. Okay, you cannot insert your animation into a graphic symbol. It behaves as individual frames. Okay, even if you did your animation in graphic symbols, but your cursor, your in timeline, how many frames it is occupying, those many frames only it can animate. Okay, other frames it cannot show. Okay, then come to movie clip symbol. Okay. The movie clip symbol, what I'm planning sorry. So this we can remove for time being. Yes, this is my text and include this new layer. And here what I'm planning, here I'm placing one drawing here. Okay, this is my drawing. Change it into red. Yes. Okay, then click this frame, or otherwise drag and select and right click here and convert to symbol. Okay, this time instead of this button symbol and graphic symbol, can click on movie clip. Movie clip. Here you can give name box. Okay, and the registration mask can be center for time being. Yes, in library actually the previous properties are there, so I'm removing all these things, not required now. Yes, so now you can convert this into symbol again. Okay, and name it box, or otherwise make it red. Okay, right. Now see, your symbol convert into your drawing, your shape convert into movie clip. Okay, so it is registration pointer showing this cross mark at the center of the box. Now if you see this from library, see the icon, the symbol name itself, it is showing movie clip. Movie, the wheel like it showing just movie clip. Okay, for the button symbol, the different icon represented. Okay, now what I'll do, suppose this you can delete here. Sorry. From the library, get from this, or otherwise here also. Okay, so this is my movie clip symbol. Here what I'm planning for you can say this is, yes, make it 50 frames. Okay, right click and insert keyframe. Okay, right. So you can do the animation, some animation. So first frame is there, second frame is there, but if you want to create animation, the two keyframes must be in different places. So first one is there, the second one I'm changing this place here. Alright, right. Now this is 1 and this is 2. Between these two keyframes, okay, on timeline, right click anywhere and create classic twin. See this? Your classic twin added. So symbols you can extend up to here. Yes. See this. This is your inside default player, flash player here. That so here we can press the play button so that you will understand the action is going. Okay. If you want to continuously move your animation, so there is a loop button. Click on the loop button, and this indicator, so you must cover first and last, and now you can give a play. So continuously it is animating. Okay, alright, now you can remove this. So up to here the both graphic and movie clip symbols are same. Now what I am planning, see, from here to here, by pressing shift, okay, and right click here, cut frames. So see here, no more frames here. Okay, then what you do, from menu bar, insert new symbol and give the name animation. Animation must be in movie clip. Okay, now you cut there, you have to paste here. So right click and paste frames. Yes, here also you can give name animation. Fantastic. So this is your animation. Just few minutes back what you did, that is okay. But you come out from the symbol editing mode, or otherwise you can click on the arrow mark. Yes, this is your actual stage. Okay, but here it is but here it is, I'm giving only one frame, not many frames, because it is movie clip. So there is an empty drawing. Click on that empty, and from the library, okay, yeah, you gave this name animation. Okay, in preview, library preview, you can check this. Now see, yes. Okay, now you drag this onto stage. Perfect. Okay, now just you can click this. No, it is not moving. And suppose control enter. Yes, see, there actually we placed only one frame. There we placed only one frame, even though it is nicely animating. What happened here actually? Yes, this is your movie clip. Okay, so your animation completely insert into that. Okay, if you want to see that, suppose anyone want to see here, if you click here, you cannot see the movie clip inserted animation and flash timeline. There is no visibility. Okay, only press Ctrl Enter, then only you observe the animation. Suppose this is your movie clip. Okay, double click on that, enter into your actual animation. There you can play on your timeline. first what you did, this one. Okay, and again suppose here you double click into that and go there inside the first drawing what we created as a box, red box, this is. Okay, so this is your actual drawing. Suppose here I'm planning to do something here. I want to change these shapes. Yes, yes. So here I am planning, sorry, this is only want to move. Yes, so I'm going to do as a arrow mark. Okay, okay, now we select this, sorry, this frame. Okay, and you can apply up arrow and down arrow to move that points. Okay, now here what I'm planning, just you can observe me. See here, the separate piece I added to that box. Actually that box was converted into arrow mark. Okay, see here, you can see here. Okay, and now you can remove the outline. Don't want outline actually. Okay, and now come from the symbol editing mode. So click on the arrow mark. Okay, now you can check your animation. Actually what you created first, there is a box, but you edited that box in the symbol editing mode and convert into a one box. Okay, any modifications you give on that, you can add as many things you can add. You can create here the big background, suppose here. Okay, here you can create a just like a background, just for fun I'm telling, understanding purpose only. Suppose it must be down. Look, come here, see here, the whole thing, it is moving actually because it is in animation. Okay, otherwise here you can control X, so cut that frame. Okay, and come here, so here you can create one layer and paste in place. And background, instead of there you can create here. Now you can check this here, the background added. Okay, and now come from the simulating mode again, because 2 times we entered into that, so 2 times should have to come back. Yes, now if you check this, control enter, so what is happening on the blue background, your arrow nicely it is moving from left to right, or otherwise right to left also. Here what I'll do, my background, so I have to increase the sorry increase the background. Yes, now again come from the simulating mode and you can check this. See, and suppose your arrow should go outside of the screen, so this you can select this frame, suppose select this frame and move out. Okay, and this is also, it is in still frame, you must go outside. Yes. Now check, you can experiment. Now check, control enter. Yes, beautiful. Your arrow continuously entering and leaving, entering and leaving. Okay, so about animation I'll explain clearly in the coming lessons. Just for focus, just you can focus on the movie clip only. So here what is the difference? The difference is, the major difference is your all frames, your animation frames, these are all frames. Okay, you converted and you can insert in a one frame. In one frame your whole animation might be, sometimes when we are working in project, it can be 500 frames, 1000 frames, 5000 frames, as many frames. You can insert those many frames into one frame only. Okay, that frame you can upload to a web. Okay, so that can be your flash animation. Okay, so that SWF a file format, you can upload this. Okay, the file formats about these things I'll explain again in the next lesson, in the coming lesson. Okay, this you can observe easily. In graphic symbols, it behaves like individual separate frames. Okay, you cannot insert your entire animation in one clip like a movie clip. In movie clip only you can insert your many drawings in a particular one movie clip frame, but here you cannot play, you cannot see your animation with the timeline player. Okay, only the visibility, the possibility is when you press control enter. Okay, so this is a simple movie clip animation. Just you can check it once again. The nicely it is rolling from left to right. Okay, so you also have to create simple animation by using the movie clip. Okay, and suppose I'll explain another thing in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.